Welcome to our guide on how to enable Stories notifications on Snapchat. Stay updated with your friends' stories by following these quick steps. To begin, open the Snapchat app on your Android device to access your profile. Tap on your avatar or profile picture at the top, left of the screen, to navigate to your profile settings. Next, tap the settings icon located at the top right of the screen to access your account settings. Select Notifications from the menu options displayed on the screen. Now, find the Stories from Friends option and mark it to enable notifications for your friends' stories on Snapchat. By following these steps, you can ensure that you receive notifications for stories posted by your friends, helping you stay connected and engaged on Snapchat. Thank you for watching this guide on how to enable Stories notifications on Snapchat. Stay updated with your friends' stories and never miss a moment by marking Stories from Friends in your notification settings. Enjoy a more interactive and connected Snapchat experience with this simple adjustment.